From nature's raw materials to finished masterpieces whittled by geniuses' hands, the province of Pangasinan boasts in indigenous products that are world-class worthy. It believes that anyone who makes his or her own product should be dignified, empowered, and enriched. Remotely located at the mountains of Sual, Pangasinan, one can reach Baito tribe community hardly in half an hour across the course road. It feels like a roller coaster ride, only it was rough and bumpy. But seeing how open-hearted the locals of Baito gave us the sign that our stay will be worthwhile. And it did. Production of tiger grass, one of the raw materials of the popular walis tambo or soft broom, serves as one of the sustaining source of income among the tribe. They are the major producer of walis tambo in Baguio, the city of pines and the summer capital of the Philippines. A woman can produce a minimum of 10 broomsticks a day, depending on the availability of materials. They get their natural resources in mountains, but ample reserves are also to be found in their backyard atop the mountain foot. And yes, the height was terrifying, but they seemed to love what they're doing. And it made sense. Their smiles, their hopeful stories, and just the way they look at their families for support and strength, it was uplifting to see how a community as theirs, who is not as civilized, can be humbling and inspiring. They also make sawali or woven split bamboo maps, which they also use to construct their houses' walls.
Ito po yung bahay namin. Simple lang po, pero kahit po paano, maganda pong tirahan kahit ganitong gutay-gutay siya. Masaya po kami.
Tiger grass, or locally called tambo in Filipino, has a great economic potential because it is a main source of material in the soft broom making industry. It is a viable source of livelihood for upland communities like Sitio Baito. Tiger grass is harvested from the forest and, if dried correctly, can be stored up to a year. The upper portion of the tiger grass flower, the large drooping panicle, is used for broom making.
Tatalian po para individual na po yung kanyang pagkakaano ng walis. Alitin mong alitin.
There is a vast room for our women to become entrepreneurs. All they need is the right opportunity that will lead them to success and the likelihood of creating a difference in this world. They said that entrepreneurship opportunities enabled by technology would help them become more effective on par with those in more developed countries, and that they can have access to the larger scale trade. These Baito tribal women have had so many obstacles, but this developed their strengths. They believe that victory comes only after many struggles, Because when you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is called strength.